Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. It's Greekkid82 again. Just got done busting a playoff contenders. Many of you I'm sure saw that. So first of all, I want to thank everybody for getting in the break. We'll give it just a minute here for people getting a late start tuned in to let the ads roll through. So give it just a second and we'll get started. Alrighty, and this might be a little redundant for those of you who saw the first break, but we do have a plates and patches break on Tuesday night. The auctions end on Monday. We're also going to do a free break at the end of every month, starting at the end of March. Basically, we'll just keep track of everybody in the breaks and how many spots they've purchased or auctions that they've won, and then they'll be given X amount of spots in the free break. So stay tuned for that. We're going to be doing some more football boxes, also try some baseball, basketball, and might even dabble in some hockey. We'll see. But thanks everybody again, and we'll go ahead and get started with the break roster. There's 2011 Panini Limited Football Hobby Box 2/26/12 at 8:30. Thunder with the Packers, Lions, and Dolphins. M. Faust with the Panthers and Broncos. Montan Chris with the Bears, Bills, Cardinals, Chargers, Chiefs, Giants, Jags, Jets, Ravens, Seahawks, and Browns. Jerones with the 49ers, Bengals, Saints, and Texans. Seattle with the Colts, Eagles, Patriots, Raiders, Redskins, Steelers, Vikings. Ringy Rose with the Titans. Van Carr with the Rams. Heat Miser with the Falcons. Shorty with the Cowboys. Kearns with the Buccaneers. So, go ahead and get started. We'll keep our fingers crossed here. And the serial number here, guys, before we get started. Having a hard time pulling these serial numbers in with the hologram thing, but that's LF 352-826-425. Empty box. Pack of cards here. And here we go.
It's embarrassing. When you use the wrong tool, you're not just making yourself look bad. You're making us all look bad. The Dodge ran terrible.
Mike Williams with the Buccaneers. Get those down a little bit. Sorry, guys.
It's the right tool for the job.
Emmitt Smith with the Cowboys. Let's see if these are numbered. Okay, the Mike Williams is not numbered. Emmitt Smith Legend. That is numbered, and that's 35 of 499.
Is your computer running slow? Are you frustrated with error messages?
Can't get that one very well either, but again, that's 35 of 499. Emmitt Smith for the Cowboys. Prince of Mukamara with the Giants. That's a Phenoms card. Not numbered. Peyton Manning, Indianapolis Colts. It says Spotlight here. And that is numbered 11 of 25. And a Dick Butkus Legend patch card. It's got like a little stain there. That's kind of cool. You guys might not be able to see that. Dick Butkus for the Bears. So the first hit goes to Montan Chris. And that's numbered 21 of 99. 21 of 99. And That's a redemption card, card number 202. It's a Material Phenoms rookie card. And I'll have to grab the checklist. Card number 202. Let's see what we got here. Dick Butler. Material Phenoms. 202. All right, that's a Von Miller for the Denver Broncos. I know you guys can't see that, I'm sure. But card 202, Von Miller. It's the second one down there. So that goes to M. Faust. Congrats on the Von Miller. And last card, a hit for the 49ers. That goes to Jaron S. So congrats on that. That's a Vernon Davis sticker auto. And that's numbered 10 of 15. 10 of 15. So congrats, guys, and for anybody who didn't get a hit on that one, I always send a card from my collection, so you will receive something. Thanks a lot for getting in the break, guys. Don't forget about the plates and patches. Check that out under Greekkid82. Seller items on eBay. See you guys. Thanks.